one of the things that struck me that I still remember vividly during COVID was loads and loads of dead bodies in containers. This was the time when COVID was at its peak. Hospitals were running out of beds. Lots of people were dying. A contagion was spreading. In fact, what was more scary was not the contagion itself. What's actually the fear of unknowns. We didn't know what was happening. We didn't know how the virus could affect us, how the virus spread around. Today, we are in a much better position. We have vaccines, we have treatment, and that's why you and I can be here today. We can be socializing with one another once again. Unfortunately, my patients, fish, yes, fish also have daughters, and I'm one of them. And they are not as fortunate as us. They are currently affected by a disease called the scale drop disease or syndrome. As the name suggests, the fish loses scales. Imagine all these fish with all these beautiful scales are losing their scales. They're losing their protection. And in fact, now, after some years of investigation, we had identified that they actually are caused by a virus called scale drop disease virus. But we don't really exactly know how this virus behaves because a lot of these studies are actually taken from samples in the field. And we do not know how the disease progresses, how they spread around. So my research focuses on developing a disease challenge model. Yes, model, but not the statistics model or a model that walks down the aisle, presenting nice clothes and stuff. Not that kind of model. It's a disease challenge model where we will inject viruses into the fish. Then we will take samples over a series of time to look for changes in the fish and see how they change, how the disease progresses. We can also, at the same time, check the water. By looking at the water, we can potentially identify viruses in this water. Maybe this fish spreads through the water, but we don't exactly know if that's the case. Once this model is clearly established, we can use this disease model for future studies, for treatment and vaccine trials. And perhaps the light is really at the tunnel and we can enjoy our barramundi fish once again. Thank you.